Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add the shapes on your videos using Clipchamp. So let's get started. First of all, find the Clipchamp app. Now open it. Choose one video that you want to edit. Now to add the shapes, here you can find the option of overlay. Simply tap on it. Then scroll to your right and you can find the option of photos. Now tap on it. Now to add the shape, type the name of the shape just like this, circle. Search for it and here you can find the different kinds of circles. Now type the name of another shape which is triangle and search for it. And just like this, you can type the name of the shape and find it and add it on your videos just like this. Now edit the shape and the video as well. And that's it. This is how you can add different kind of shapes on your videos using Clipchamp. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.